House Deputy Speaker J.J. Suarez described the ongoing Senate probe on the supposed Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA leaks a mere political circus. In the Senate probe being spearheaded by Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa, the president and other personalities were named as allegedly being investigated by PDEA, even though the agency itself denied they are conducting such an investigation. Although lower house Solons respect the upper chamber, Representative Suarez said the senator is better off focusing on more important issues like the amendment that needs to be made on the rice tariffication law instead of merely politicizing and discrediting the Marcos administration.
Nakita na naman natin na nag-issue na ng statement ang PDEA. Diniscredit na nila yung document. Wala daw katotohanan yon. Tapos pati yung credibility ng hinarap na witness, questionable. So sa akin, kung yun na yun, di yun na yun. Ba't pa natin bibigyan pa ng more attention? Why don't we focus our efforts, our resources in more important matters such as the rice tariffication law, amending it? Why don't we focus our attention in going against those price manipulators, those hoarders, those scrupulous businessmen behind the increase in rising prices na nagpapahirap sa buhay ng bawat Pilipino? Bakit hindi natin tutukan yung mga problema na hinaharap ng ating bansa na mas may kinalaman sa pag-angat ng antas ng buhay ng ating mga kababayan? So sa akin, this is a mere political circus. I think this is part of a bigger orchestrated destabilization movement against the Marcos administration.
Kailangan din nating harapin yung katotohanan na this is a bigger plan to destabilize the government. Alam naman natin yon na this is a plan para siguraduhin na talagang sirain, ipahiya ang ating Pangulo. So sana itigil na yung mga hearing na yan dahil hindi naman ito nakakatulong sa ating sa ating ekonomiya.